Hello again, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, like Jimmy Neutron without the brains, Valvo. And today we're going to get our hands a little dirty with some real statistics. It's whiteboard marker. Not toxic, but still hardcore. The first statistic we're going to look at is measures of central tendency. Let's get going. So last time we talked about statistical questions. But what do we do after a statistical question is asked? Well, we collect the answers to that question to get our data. And if we're dealing with quantitative data, all of the numbers in the data are called a set. Once we have a set, we can start to describe and analyze the data. And one tool to describe and analyze data is a measure of central tendency. A measure of central tendency is a single number that summarizes all of our data set's values in some useful way. It should represent the data. And it's useful because one number is a lot easier